to address this claim that many people on the left are making that the FCC is violating. Not going to talk to that. The FCC is violating the First Amendment freedom of speech rights of Jimmy Kimmel. Now, first of all, the FCC did not take Jimmy Kimmel off the air. It was the affiliate. They have him removed. And so ABC...
Donald Trump removed Sesame Street.
No, Donald Trump did not remove Sesame Street.
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't. Sesame Street is still on TV.
Yeah, because Netflix bought it out so that it wouldn't die.
No. All he's saying is that federal money doesn't have to go to PBS and NPR. Like, they can make their own money. They have plenty of donors. They're still nonprofit. Even though they're political, like, he's actually being fair both by taking away the Johnson Amendment, which was preventing churches from having political opinions. So now churches can have political opinions and still keep their 501c3, and so to NPR. Just because they're not getting money from the government doesn't mean that they're being taken off the air, and so too, the FCC didn't. Can you stop it?
No.
The FCC did not take off. Now they might in the future, but right now the FCC Chairman Carr, he stated his opinion about this matter, but he didn't.
In a quarter mile, keep right to continue on I-87 South. Follow signs for New York City, Parkway South.
Took Jimmy Kimmel off the air. And as President Trump said, he's been having bad ratings. It's not a good business model to have this guy on TV. It has nothing to do with the government. The government is not taking away his First Amendment rights. But even if the FCC did take him off the air...
Keep right to continue on I-87 South.
That's not a violation of his free speech rights. Nobody has a right
Continue
to have
on I-87 South for 9 miles.
On ABC at 11:30 at night. That's not a constitutional right. He still is free to talk and say whatever he wants, and not only that, but nowadays we have all of these platforms like this one, YouTube, Twitter.com, which is known as X. What's that fellow's name? Tucker Carlson. Was his First Amendment rights taken away when he lost his Fox show? But the thing is, there's also the FCC controls the airwaves and not cable. But still, nonetheless.
The FCC controls the toilet bowl.
What do you call it? I thought maybe that was a cop because of the way that thing there. Anyway.
There's 5 people watching. Hi guys, how you been? Did you like my toilet bowl joke?
So the FCC doesn't control who's that guy said. Hi, Pat Dockery. Thank you for watching.
Did you like my joke?
So anyway, you don't have a right to have a TV show, especially on the air. But even on cable, the cable companies and all of these companies, they have the right.
I didn't know that you were
to decide who's going to be on their channel. And if Jimmy Kimmel, I believe Jimmy Kimmel still hosts a game show. So he didn't lose. Thank you. He didn't lose his job with the game show, and he's allowed to say whatever he wants on Twitter, on YouTube, whatever it is, as long as he's not breaking any laws. but there are a lot
Well,
more.
I think, well, there's something that I feel like I should say, and I've been needing to say for a long time.
Can you stop it, Abraham? I'm driving.
First of all, stop.
Oh, put on your shoulder.
Your father is trying to make a thing.
And I'm also trying to drive.
And second of all, I feel like just because someone can say something doesn't mean they should say something.
Oh, that's something else. But also, you don't have a right to say something on my company, on my private company. Meaning,
Okay.
if like nobody has, like Glenn Beck, he made his own company, so he could pretty much say what he wants.
Sorry to interrupt, but what is this person's obsession with Sweet Home Alabama?
Sweet Home Alabama.
We're going to a place that we don't want to talk about, okay?
We're going to.
It's confident. It's classified. It's classified where we're going.
What? It's Googleable to see where I'm a rabbi, so we'll go there.
Don't tell them that. Don't tell them that.
Yeah.
Are we going away, Church?
So, what?
There's 15 people. That's like 15 people.
15 miles on the Erie Canal.
That's like a record high.
No.
Oh, now it's 10. I
All
guess one person counted as 5 people.
So I'm heading to Long Island. Anyway, Sweet Home Alabama. Look up Sweet Home Monticello. That's on YouTube with Pat and Coop. We can find that maybe when we're done with this show. We can listen to Sweet Home Monticello.
Stop saying
Why? He can say Sweet Home Alabama all he wants. He has a First Amendment right.
I just have to. He doesn't get the First Amendment.
Yes, he does. He's from
He has
Alabama.
a stupid YouTube name. He doesn't get. I'm sorry for saying that. It's a joke. You see, you're doing something that Aaron Bechter never thought of.
What? Live streaming?
Well, he's live streaming once in his entire life.
All right. Hi, MGMG. Thank you for watching. Which wasn't it Alabama that what's the guy that Tom Lehrer said? Like who's next, and we'll all hush out when Alabama gets the bomb.
Well, Aaron Bechter
infects the air.
Oh yeah, you're right. You are right.
I just thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. I have much better content on this channel.
We get to $100 in donations. I will personally eat a tiny bit of this.
You eat it anyway.
No, I don't. I only put it on your shoulder and pour it on your head. For 50 years, you tried to be.
So anyway, that's the point that I'm bringing out here, is that nobody, Jimmy Kimmel's First Amendment rights, anyone who's claiming that he's losing his First Amendment rights is just an idiot, because he can still talk wherever he wants. That's
in 2 miles, take exit 4 toward Cross County Parkway, Miles Square Road.
His own platform. But if he's working for someone else, he has to follow the rules of his boss. His boss, so far, he hasn't even been fired yet. He's just his show is off the air temporarily. He's probably still getting paid for doing nothing, which probably will cost the ABC less than him making a show that nobody watches.
People still watch Jimmy Kimmel.
He's like number 100 on the Nielsen ratings. He has lower views than the guy who used to be conservative, Colbert, back when he was on the Comedy Central. He was cool. He would fight against bears.
Whoever this one person is watching, shout out to.
Well, we have 3 now.
Well, still shout to that person.
I know it was a joke. All right. anything else we want to talk about for the good of the order before we conclude this live stream? Add a Q&A sticker. Should we put a Q&A?
Yeah, sure.
What should we add? Oh.
Do you think that the FCC controls the toilet bowl?
Alright, when your next live? I don't know. I make live streams pretty sporadically. Last few weeks I did Havdalah live, but that's because I was by myself for Shabbos, but my family's going to join me for Shabbos.
In a half mile, take exit 4 toward Cross County Parkway, Mile Square Road.
But the synagogue that I work at does have, what's it called? Zoom that you can watch. So I think you have to be on their email list or something to get into Zoom or whatever. I don't know.
Also,
take exit 4.
Bombing the...
bombing?
What is it? Zoom bombing?
What?
Oh no. Zoom bombing bomb. There we go, Volvo. Cut me off, I don't.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto Central Park Avenue.
Oh yeah, are we gonna do a video showing?
I want to make another. I don't know. I want to make another episode of. I used to call it Rabbi Joe's Midnight Mausoleum. I found out there's a show called Midnight Mausoleum, so I'm gonna call it Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor. So I want to make an episode for Killers from Space. Should we make it at Monster Bash though?
Maybe. Let the viewers decide. Maybe that should be the Q&A.
Well, I don't know how to do the Q&A now. I don't know. It popped up for a second and now.
Let me do it. Although I need to cover my face because later I'm not going to show my face. I'll thank you for me. So where is it?
I don't know. Alright.
Here. I think it's that button.
This one? No. Love your rage, not your cage.
What? What?
That's another one from Mr. Error here. Or Ms. Error, I don't know. I shouldn't be assuming. Infecting the air. Oi, butterfly. Tatan you, mama you, tatan you.
What do you guys think about Aaron Fector?
Nobody knows who Aaron Fector is other than you. And it's other people who watch YouTube.
And also Aaron Fector.
In a quarter mile, slight right onto the Cross County Parkway ramp to Bronx River Parkway.
Oh, I should stay to the right here.
Do you think Monica Biss is a great YouTuber? Do you think he's a sucky YouTuber? I personally like him. I said sucky!
I don't think that's good language.
America stands with...
America stands with Israel, do you?
No! We hate Zionism! Screw you!
Hold on. Because I support Israel, but not as a Zionist. I support Israel because they are an ally to the United States of America.
Slight right onto the Cross County Parkway ramp.
But I don't believe that Israel should call itself a Jewish state.
We just prefer not to talk about it.
Continue for 1 mile.
I love to talk about it.
Also, yeah, and that's why your mother did love you. Like, wait, why do you care? I could say something way worse. Guys, should I say something?
No, I don't want to get
Sorry.
FCC will take down my.
I said sucky.
All right, I don't like that. I don't like that type of language on my YouTube channel.
Sucky.
I don't use that.
Sucky. It's sucky. As long as I don't say sucky.
Israel and Zionism aren't the same. Like a good neighbor, stay over there. Good fences make good neighbors. So.
What's the Israel and Zionism?
I kind of agree. I have. Yes, but the thing was the original Zionists wanted to go to Uganda. They didn't care about the Holy Land.
They're not exactly the same, but they're very similar. Why am I getting
I mean, the state of Israel is a Zionist state, but
actually, because of that, do you know the way makes a lot more sense.
Do you know the way?
In a quarter mile, use the left lane to take the ramp to Cross County Parkway East.
I mean, I wouldn't compare Hamas and Zionism, but
I'm still not really sure what that is. Let's just not get political.
Why not? I'm talking
Use the left lane to take Take the ramp to Cross County Parkway East.
Not okay. Like, let's just have fun.
No, I wanted to talk about Jimmy Kimmel. That's a political issue.
Okay, well, guess what? There's conditioner on your hat.
In a quarter mile, merge onto Cross County Parkway.
Why did you do that?
Be kind.
Rewind. Be kind, rewind. Alright, I gotta get this conditioner off of my hat.
Show the conditioner to them.
What am I supposed to do? Can I have the towel?
Rub it in. Yeah. But first I gotta wipe my ass with this.
Hey!
What is that dude doing? Way worse than that. And the people all said yes.
There we go.
Besides, AAS is not that bad of a word. I mean, it just refers to a donkey. I was gonna wipe my donkey. Yeah, he has a pet donkey. He just took a bath, so he needed to wipe down the donkey to get dried. Yeah.
I'm getting very biblical there, guys.
Snack that smells spectrum. What the heck? What?
Talking about toothpaste, I started using hydroxyapatite toothpaste, and it's a wonder toothpaste. It's amazing. So, it cured all of my cavities naturally. All right.
Continue on Cross County Parkway for 3/4 of a mile.
My show. It's coming out soon.
Which
we need
show?
a 3/4 majority to
Originally,
say
I was
yes
gonna
to
do a
these
cartoon called "The Crazy Kids of Carlsbad," but now I'm
Why
thinking
not?
of doing something
I'm
like
driving, Abraham.
what did they call it?
Carlsbad Caverns.
No, let me think.
King Thing and Friends. When I was a kid, I had this idea. It was called King Thing and Friends. It was a little boy that was friends with a giant chameleon.
Was there when quite accidentally his medal of honor pleased and thrilled his.
This phone sucks.
I gotta get back to learning.
Well,
What about Clayton Moore?
well, we're still live.
We are.
Oh, hi, David.
David
Nice to see you.
Sutton?
No, David Barnes. All right. My wife was trying to call me, and my phone is acting weird, so I'm gonna have to stop the live stream.
Okay,
Sorry about
but-
that, David.
Well,
Thank you for watching. God
well-
bless. Please like, share, subscribe.
Well,
We'll give-
continue.
20
well-
seconds, and then we'll end the live stream
we'll
if anybody wants to say
continue.
anything.
We'll continue.
All right.
Once we
Watch my
get
show.
to where we're
What?
going. Okay.
No, I gotta cook for Shabbos. I gotta make cholent.
I'll do
soup.
it then.
Buy
I'll do
book.
it then.
Buy my book.
I'll
Buy
do it.
my book.
On my YouTube, it has links to my books. Oh yeah, Shlomi has a book too. It's a kaiju coloring book.
Yeah, he hand designed each kaiju.
Kind of.
I should
Kind
make a
of.
book of King
Kind
Thing
of.
and Friends.
Maybe. Yeah.
Fun and laughter never ends. Here's the theme song to King Thing and Friends, by the way. King Thing and Friends.
Okay, so once we get
Fun and laughter
the way we
never
continue-
ends with King
Andrew,
Thing and the other
Can we not
monsters.
get political
King
here?
Thing and King Thing and
Please.
King Thing and
It's like-
Friends. King
we're
Thing and Friends.
On this, I think it's
We're
like supposed to be like
continuing the
don't know.
live stream once we get to our
doesn't it
destination.
look like
I'm going to
I don't
steal
know.
his phone.
Buy one get one
Yeah.
free.
birds.
I don't know.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
that's
steal his phone once we get there and continue.
Why don't you
this.
do it on your phone?
Because we don't have a YouTube channel.
All right, I gotta call my wife back. All right,
Alright,
we'll see you
Watch
later.
my show.
Watch my show, Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor. which-
Okay, turn
Alright.
it off.
Oh, now we could do the Q&A stickers.